Hello and welcome to Marble.com. My name's Chris and I'd like to introduce our Marble.com headquarters right here in Ridgefield Park, New Jersey. This conveniently located branch is situated in the heart of Bergen County, between two major highways, Route 80 and Route 46. Our address here is 1 Mount Vernon Street, Ridgefield Park, New Jersey, 07660. This branch covers all of New Jersey as well as parts of New York State. The proximity to Lincoln Tunnel and the George Washington Bridge creates a convenient connection for the clients in Manhattan and the greater metropolitan region. This location is fully stocked with granite, quartz, marble, and other materials. Thousands of slabs are available to look at our indoor warehouse and the outdoor slab yard. Ridgefield Park is a fully independent fabrication shop equipped with the state-of-the-art CNC routers, water jet, bridge saws, and edge polishing machines. Our sales office is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturdays.